Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU model and current driver version so you know the baseline. Install the latest drivers and required runtimes like CUDA, cuDNN, or ROCm. This gives you access to optimizations and APIs. Once done, set the OS and BIOS power/performance mode and ensure the PSU and PCIe power cables are properly connected. This prevents throttling and instability. Make sure to reboot after installs, so the kernel and drivers initialize cleanly and report correct resources. Now you optimize both hardware and software settings together. Increase clock offsets and enable the GPU performance governor to keep frequencies high under load. Watch temperatures so you avoid overheating. On the software side, change batch sizes, enable mixed precision, and increase parallel worker threads to match GPU memory and compute capabilities. Once you change one parameter, run a benchmark and iterate. The why is simple. Balanced throughput avoids bottlenecks. Make sure to log results so you can revert regressions quickly. Finish by validating sustained performance with stress tests and profilers to identify memory limits, kernel stalls, or PCIe issues. If you see crashes or artifacting, immediately roll back clock offsets and test with stock drivers to confirm stability. Once done, make sure to inspect PSU rails, cable seating, and case airflow because power and cooling explain many failures. If problems persist, collect driver logs and profiler traces and consult forums or vendor support. This gives you actionable data to resolve rare hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.